Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got an interesting video. Obviously you can see I've got a package from Halo, which is the company that does like international and IC's merchandise. So before I open this, I gotta tell you guys a little backstory. So back when I did my video on the 3rd Gen CE model, I had gotten an email from a lady that works for Halo, basically saying that they had seen my video, loved it, and wanted to, basically send me a $50 gift card to the, International IC's merch site. So, that was like, wow, that's really cool. Somebody has seen this, and it's great. So, we ended up communicating on that, and then something I had noticed, that some of you guys, I know I made a post about it, but anyway, at one point the photos that were being used on the promotional site were of a 2nd gen model that was very similarly styled to the 3rd gen model with the same level of detail, and I had brought this up to her. Well, then she had wanted more clarification, so we ended up having a phone call, and we talked all about it and discussed a few different things. And I also conveyed in this phone call just some of our, as enthusiasts, some of the things that we would love to see happen. And basically what I kind of try to convey is us enthusiasts love getting IC branded merch. Basically the more the better. And we would love to see a 2nd gen model. I even said do all 3 generations, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Any model you guys put into production or International wants to put in production of a school bus, the enthusiast will buy it. So that was the thing I was trying to convey. And she said that this is information that she was going to take to International, and she was hoping that International would see the demand for these models. So, and I think all of us enthusiasts did a pretty good job of showing the demand for the models. So that's how we got to here. So then in this same phone call, she tells me that International also saw my video, which was a pretty big deal for me. Like, I was like boom, head exploded. And I went, that is amazing, because my whole life I've been International, like a loyal International person, always loved the trucks and the buses, grew up riding International buses. It's always been my thing. So that means a lot to me that International has seen something I made and liked it. And she said they're going to reach out to you somehow because they want to also thank you. And she wasn't sure if that was going to be through Halo or how they were going to do it, but she knew they wanted to. So this was back in March, a few months to get going, but I ended up getting introduced from somebody from International, and there was a whole conversation. And basically what it comes down to is they wanted to send me a package as a thank you, which is separate from what Halo was sending, but they wanted to send me a package like International did. And within that, they want to work with me on future promotions, so that might be something in the future. And another part to this video, or to the story, will get told once we've unboxed this, but that's pretty much the gist of the story behind all of this. It is now July, so I just now got this package. They called it an influencer package. We'll see what's in it. I have an idea of a few of the things that are going to be in it, but I'm excited to see what all is in it, because there's obviously some stuff I don't know. You can see, like, it's a pretty sizable box, so I'm probably going to have to come into frame for a second to unbox this. Well, to cut the tape, at least. Let's see here. Well, why are we not getting? There we go. Alright. Let's get this back to where you guys can see it. Okay. So, you can already see one item that's in there. But, moving on, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in here. So, obviously there's this in here. It looks like there's a letter Oh my goodness, there's all sorts of models in here. Wow. Okay. So, let's see, what do we got here? This one is an electric. We got a diesel. This is oh, that's the gift card. So the note from them says, "Hi Noah, thank you for everything you do to showcase the icBus diecast models and for being such an incredible supporter of the brand. Your passion, creativity, and enthusiasm help bring our products to life and inspire others in the community. We are grateful to have you as a part of the journey. As a small token of our appreciation, we'd love for you to enjoy this gift." So it's a gift card. Thank you again for your continued support. We truly appreciate what you do. So that's a nice little note from them. There's way more models in here than I was expecting, so that is cool. Let's see. We've got an extra large international shirt. Let's see. I'll go ahead and open it up so you guys can see it. I know she said one of these shirts was on back order, so we'll see. That was part of the reason why it took a little bit. There's your International Diamond, and then, oh, heck yeah. Since 1902, trademark International 60532 USA. That's the zip code of where International is based. So that's awesome. Absolutely love that shirt. Then, let's see, what do we got here? Wow, there's okay. Oh, here's one of the little icBus, the little dogs with the icBus bandana. I actually did not have one of those yet, so that's really cool. Love that. Let's see. Looks like we got a hat. Yep, there's a hat with the IC logo. Hooray. I wonder what this is. This is something that's wrapped up. Let me see what's in here. Might take a second. I would say it is a mug of some kind, and it is completely wrapped up. Yep. So it is this icBus mug, which I don't know. I know I have one of these, but I can't remember if I did an unboxing. But still, this might be something I use part of a giveaway. We'll get to that in a second. But awesome icBus mug. I don't even know if that's still listed on the site or not. But moving on, let's see. We got extra large yellow shirt. This just has the IC logo on it. I do actually have one of these shirts, but still awesome. Always love icBus merch. I'm not going to open that because all it is this IC logo. But the fun part of this is, so that we got two more models down here. So another, let's see, that's electric, and then this is a diesel. So I got two electrics, two diesels. So this is where the fun part comes in. So the fun part to this is International wanted to gift me a set of models to possibly do a giveaway for you guys, which was a great idea because it was something I actually wanted to do, or I wanted to suggest them to do, was give away these models. Because I know for some of you guys it's not as easy to go out and buy one of these models. So they ended up doing it for me. Now, I did not expect to get two sets of models, but I got two sets of models. So here's the thing. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. I still have to figure it out. But obviously one of these sets of models I'm going to do a giveaway. I might do both. I don't know. Have to figure out what I want to do here. But anyway, so I think what we're going to do here, I'm going to plan it out, but I will give away at least one diesel and one electric. I don't know. Maybe I still have to plan it out. But point being, we're going to do a giveaway of a diesel and electric CE. I think since I already have one of these IC mugs, I think what we're going to do, we're going to throw this into the giveaway. So it might just be one big giveaway for the mug and the 2 models. Don't quote me, still got to figure out how I want to do this. But anyway, so I still have to figure it out. I know I've said that like 100 times now. But so what I'm going to do with this, since like I told you they gave me the 2 models as a suggested giveaway, I still have to plan it out. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it, if I'm going to do the 2 models together or separate. I will also throw this mug in, since I actually do already have one, and I mean I appreciate the mug, but I feel like it would serve one of you guys better since I already have one. So we'll throw this mug in as well, and I got to figure out how I'm going to do this. But like I said, it'll be the mug and the models in some way, just because it was like, you know, they kind of suggested it, which I like the idea behind it. I think that's great to do a little giveaway for you guys. But I'm going to get that figured out, and I will keep you guys updated. But that has been the little influencer package from International/IC. So I am excited to see what the future brings, you know, working with International on future promotions, as they said. So that's pretty much it. Very exciting unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah,